Hello, I'm back, and this is going to be my final explanation for the present perfect. 3 videos, 1 tense. Woo! It's a heavy one. Okay, this last one is actually quite simple. It's what I call the immediate past. Okay? I have just written on the board. Okay? It's in the past, but it's just immediate. Just finished. Okay? Now, I said it just finished, so when we speak, you don't always hear it. But technically, we should be talking about this with it has finished. Key word, of course, here is just. And in French, it would be ça vient tout juste de terminer. Ah, l'avion vient juste décoller. Where's the plane? Well, it has just taken off. Okay? Just fraction of a second before I spoke. Okay? And that's it. That's the final point in what the present perfect is. So we've got the unfinished past. We've got repeated actions in the past. We've got the immediate past here. And the idea that we don't really know when. Okay? So, I have just explained the present perfect. Ta-da! And that's it, right? I have just explained that the present perfect. Have, you notice that just separates the two words, but it's still have followed by the past participle. Just a final note before I wrap up the present perfect. We've got the word for, and we've got the word since. Okay? Very often in present perfect we'll hear these words. I have been teaching, or I have taught, that's another thing, I have taught for 32 years. For 32 years. I have taught since 1988. Now what's the difference there? Since 1988, for 32 years. Okay. The difference here, of course, is that since is a specific point in the past, whereas 32 years is a duration of time. Now again, this gets confusing for the francophone. Why? Because in French you've got the word depuis. And depuis can be said in 2 ways. For or since, depending on the context. So for example, j'enseigne depuis 32 ans. I have taught for 32 years. J'enseigne depuis 1988. I have taught since 1988. So try to work out the difference between for and since. That'd be another thing that could add to your mastery of the present perfect. Okay, in the next videos, we're going to go into the other perfect tenses, which are actually less complicated. Okay? See you then.